So I got a holiday gift from Skims. Did I make it? Am I like famous now? Kim, you be watching my TikToks? I'm actually so excited to open this because who embroiders their bags? Come on now. Okay, we have, I think these are pants. A top, a holiday fit. Okay, I'm trying to get in this bag. See what's in here. Oh, this is cute. Ring-a-ling, ding, dong, ding. I'm tearing this bag up. Sorry. This feels nice. Look at the little Skims in the back. I'm gonna try this on. I look good, don't I? Don't I? Wow. It's giving body yaddy. Come on, Kim. Come on. Skims. What I'm most shocked about is the fact that these are large and they actually fit my booty, okay? It is so rare that you find some pants that are large for a big booty and they're not high waters and they fit comfortably without suffocating the life out of your thighs. So good job. Y'all ate that. I love the material. It feels so nice and soft. I'm actually a believer now because people always say like Skims has great quality, but this feels like cotton. Nothing's irritable. Sometimes when you put on shirts, you can just feel it on your skin. It feels like it's light. Like there's nothing there. That's what I like. That's what I like. It's giving nice loungewear for the holidays. I can see myself drinking eggnog and watching a movie. Maybe not the eggnog, but watching a movie. It feels flexible, like, yeah. What? This is nice. Thanks, Skims, for this cute little holiday.